First thing I always do is check how things are set on the Structure tab. Okay, you got floor supplied by foundation room below. That's fine. Let's check this room here. Floor under this room set differently. Okay. And this one, floor supplied by foundation room below. Okay. Let's see what the result of what you did was. Go over here and look at this in a dollhouse view. So I guess that's what you mean, that you got no basement here basically, and okay. As I often say, this software runs on settings and nothing else. And although this is perhaps a non-optimum result, let's see what we can do with it. Open the dialog box for the garage. And see what it says on the Structure tab. It said the floor is minus 24 and rough ceiling, finish, stem wall 100 inches. Let's just change that to 24 inches. That's a more standard kind of a height. Of course, I'm not an engineer, but you get that data from a structural engineer. Let's see if what change that made, if any. Okay. And let's say we want an 8-foot ceiling over here. We'll just open the dialog box for this part and find the floor. No, we'll find the finished ceiling and uncheck default because you didn't set defaults properly. We'll set this to 96. And let's see. Let's check floor under this room since it's going to be a finished basement. Let's see what that did. Oh, what do you know? Ideally, you set your defaults for the various areas and come up with the result, but I mean, it's not that hard to fix after the fact. Now we got a basement here and just a stem wall foundation over here. Now, if I wanted a slab on grade over here instead, I don't know that you do, but if you did, it's fairly simple. We'll just delete these stem walls. Just marquee select those. Oops, messed up. I'm going to delete that one. And that deletes that little bit there. Okay. I got a bad connection there, so we'll fix that manually. Okay, that's better. I'm going to turn on the reference display. And one way you could do this would be just to go over here to CAD, rectangular box, and we'll draw a box. And we'll just shape it to the area. Now this is a kind of an old-fashioned way to do it, but it's a way to do it. If there's any point to be made here, it's just that you don't have to accept what the software does and just use its tools to do what you wish to do. The most straightforward thing to do is just by altering the settings, and then the software is pretty good at following those settings once they're set. So we're just going to fit this in here and using a break line tool, shape this thing up. Okay, I need to put a break over here. That's pretty close. Now I'm going to convert that to a slab with footing. and then you have to manually set the elevation and so forth. Let's just see what that looks like in a dollhouse camera. It's probably not the right height. In order to get the right height, I'm going to go up here and see what you've got. Okay, the floor is minus 12, so I need to set my manual slab at this figure here. We'll copy that figure and then apply it to the slab. Copy paste that in there. Oh, I've already got a camera open. That's another way to do it. You could do it by drawing the walls and then designate that area of slab on grade. But getting this is just a dialog box thing. You just set the ceiling to 96, and it picks up the ceiling from the floor above, so you're all set. Okay, thanks.